Good morning all.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
I hope you all happy and healthy. So what day we are celebrating today?
Handwashing.
Why we have to wash our hands, children?
Germs will be sitting inside your palms and injecting fingers.
Yes, you are correct, Atulya. Because germs will be sitting in our palms and inside our fingers. Yes, so we must wash our hands, and it is very necessary to clean our hands before, after eating and using restroom.
Look at this. What is this? These are hands. What is sitting on these hands? Germs. Now I am going to wash these hands using water. Let's see what's happening here. See, the germs are getting vanished. Wow! The germs are getting vanished. Now, look at here. The hands has become clean. Yes, neat and clean. See, same like our hands, fruits are also have germs on it. So, we have to clean these fruits using water before we eat it. Okay, so what is this? Fruits and vegetables. What we have to do? We have to clean it. Why we have to clean it? Because germs will be sitting on this. Can we use this lotion to clean these fruits and vegetables? No. Why? Because in this lotion, chemicals are there. Okay. So to clean the fruits and vegetables, you have to use fresh water, and you also can use turmeric and salt. Okay. Now let's wash these fruits in this water. Okay. Fruits and vegetables in this water. Now, can we eat this after you washing it? Yes, now it is ready to eat. Okay, now let's see how to wash our hands. First, wet your hands, apply soap oil, rub it nicely, rub your palms in between your fingers, rub it behind your hands, rub your wrist, scrub your knuckles, then wash it. Wash with a fresh water. After that, pat it dry with the clean towel. Okay, now look at the hands. It is clean. The magic has happened. Yes, all the germs has vanished. Now, let's wash our hands, okay?
Wash your hands, wash them neat and clean. Scrub them here, scrub them there, scrub them in between. Wash your hands, wash them neat and clean. Scrub them here, scrub them there, scrub them in between. Scrub them in between.
Wash your